Every year, millions of American taxpayers fall behind on tax payments and end up in trouble with the IRS. If you find yourself in that unfortunate situation, help is available.
That's right. Here with more is Darrell Van Norreys, Vice President of Lawful Solutions. How are you, Darrell?
Very good, thank you.
Getting that letter from the IRS, probably the least fun thing. Why would someone hire a professional like Lawful Solutions to get help with their tax problem?
Well, the IRS, as you well know, is the largest collection company in America, and their rules are very complicated. So for anybody to try to figure that out on their own, it's almost impossible. Yeah. So you know, you would hire us for the same reason you would hire an attorney to represent you in court, because they know what to do. We deal with this every day. Yeah. So you know, if you call the IRS and try to work out a situation with them, they're going to eat your lunch. You know, they don't do that with us. So, you know, we can represent you. We can get you a resolution that is a resolution on your side of the fence in your favor, rather than having them drive you to the corner they want you to be in.
Of course.
What are some of the most common issues you see?
Well, we see people that are getting garnished. We see people that are getting levied. We see people that are getting harassing letters, threatening them to take their property, possibly their home, their car, their assets being a 401k, retirement account. And you know, the IRS, because they're the most powerful collection company, they have the right to do that. They don't have to ask you. They just go in and say, well, you know, we're going to take this. You get your retirement account, for example, possibly your Social Security or retirement account, your check, it's 25% reduced. You call up the Social Security office and say, what's going on? I don't have the money I had last month. Well, the IRS has taken it. They don't have to ask you. They just do it. Wow. And so, you know, these are the most common things in answer to your question. But at the same time, the IRS is so powerful, they can literally do anything they want. Yeah. You are the toy. You are the puppet on the string. So, you know, that has to be resolved.
Knowing people that have fallen behind on tax payments before can kind of get overwhelming to the point where you just throw up your hands and the problem snowballs and gets worse and worse. So what advice do you have for people that find themselves in this situation?
Well, get help. Yeah. Get help. I mean, don't try to tackle the IRS on your own, because you're not going to be able to be successful tackling them on your own. The IRS has limitations, guidelines that they live within, okay? And those guidelines are larger guidelines than what most companies have, and they will just go out there and they will do with you what they want to do with you.
To get that money.
That's right. Instead of allowing you an opportunity to get something that will benefit you. So that's what we do. We come in and we put people in programs that will benefit them versus benefiting the IRS.
What if someone can't afford to pay the IRS? What kind of program is available? Is there a program
question.
Available?
Yes, the IRS has, well, right now, for the first time, they've never had this before, they have what's called a Fresh Start Initiative. It's a tax forgiveness program. Wow. It's where they'll actually forgive your taxes. You have to qualify for that, but if you qualify, they'll forgive your taxes. That's something they've never done. And there's a penalty abatement program where you can get your penalties taken care of, removed for tax years. There's offer and compromise where, you know, people owe $5,000, $105,000. It doesn't matter. The amount doesn't matter. What matters is the reasonable collection potential. How much is it reasonably? How much can the IRS reasonably expect to collect from you, based on your income and your expenses, because they have to let you live.
But it's not just based on cash on hand. You said the 401k. If you own a home or if you have any equity in that home, you can take that as well.
It's based on assets. It's based on income that you get monthly from your job, and we take a look at all that. Our professionals look at all that, and they figure out what you qualify for. They put you in the program you qualify for, and we move that direction. Now, I will say with Lawful Solutions, we do not just say, oh, come on board as our client. We do a discovery. We find out what's going on with your case so that we know what's in your files. Yeah. So that we know when you come to us, we're going to be successful. Yeah. We don't go out there and say, God, I hope this works.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, you're here to help people who are behind. Do you have a special as well? A Morning Blend special?
We do. Anybody that the first 50 callers that call in, we will give a 15% discount.
Excellent.
Very
Yes.
nice.
All
Well,
right,
thank
so
you so much.
Definitely
You're
take
very
advantage of
welcome.
that.
Thank
It's
you.
a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Again, Lawful Solutions, they have that great special offer right now for our viewers. First 50 people to call the number on your screen get a free evaluation and a 15% discount. That's 800-449-2221. Give that number a call.
To learn more, just contact them by calling the number or visiting the website on your screen.